Hey guys, I wanted to do a video because I've become a little bit of a planner junkie, I guess you could call me. I've been searching for the perfect planner and I just got a new planner today, so I wanted to show it to you. I actually don't really know what this looks like because I just ordered it off recommendations. There were just so many recommendations for it. I just took kind of a chance. So I'm really excited to kind of open it and like share it with you guys. My camera is all rigged up, so hopefully you guys can get a really good view of it. Let me show you what I've been doing. So for those of you that don't know, I run a business from home. I run an online boutique from home. I carry inventory. I do online sales, album sales, and website sales, claiming through my website. And it's something that has a lot of moving parts. I also mentor and train other women on my team. So there's a lot of moving parts. There's a lot of schedules. I have conference calls that I have to be on. I have coaching calls that I have to be on. I have sales scheduled. I have marketing to plan, promotions to plan. So all of that needs to be scheduled. Not to mention I have 5 kids. So we're a little bit crazy. So I have this planner, okay? And that's the front of it. And I love it because there is, here, let me show you a blank page. So this is kind of what it looks like. So every week you're kind of designing your week, and it asks you these questions that you go through. What have you gotten accomplished? What haven't? And then it has sort of a week at a glance and broken down like by hour, which like I like the idea of that. And I definitely like to break my days down by hours, but that's like your weekly plan sheet. And then the daily sheets have, you can see like an accountability part, food choices, journaling, delegating errands, 6 most important things, which again, I like knowing that and putting that down. And then like kind of things that you need to do in the evening. And then people to call or text and then write or email. And then the idea is that you use these Post-its. Let me see if I can find one. Okay, so the idea is that you use these Post-its that come with it for the actual planning of your day. And you break it down by hour, which again, I like because it holds me accountable. Okay, if I want to place a Facebook ad, that's probably only going to take me, 15 or 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. So I'm going to write it right in 10 o'clock, and then I still have 10:30. And I know if I'm doing this slot, if I have something here, I know I need to finish it up so I can start by 10. So I was using it for a while, but then what I found was I needed to kind of see my week. I needed to flip and see my week really quickly. And yes, there is a week planner here, but the way that it was laid out and how small it wasn't kind of allowing me to look at what I needed to look at the right way. So I was getting confused. So I ended up buying this cheap planner at just like Walgreens. And it had the layout of, this is how I need to see my month, and this is how I need to see my weeks. So I was trying to use this and this. And like, of course, that wasn't working because I would write something in here and then like I'd forget to write it in here. And then like I would just be like, oh, forget it, I'll just use this. But then this doesn't allow me to plan it out by time. So then you can see my problem. So I was becoming more and more disorganized, and I kind of stumbled across a post from a girlfriend of mine who's also in a similar industry that I'm in. And she had asked, hey, I'm looking for a new planner. What do you guys use? And so many people had commented on the post, and like half of them recommended the Day Designer, which I had never heard before. So I didn't even research it. I was like, you know what, good enough for me, because these are people I trusted. So I just took the recommendation. So, ta-da! The Day Designer is here. I'm so excited. So super excited. So I am going to open this bad boy up for you guys. Brought my little handy scissors. I haven't even opened it yet. I picked the outside, and like I briefly looked at like with the month layout, and that's all that I did. Oh look, it's cute little life. It says Life Designed. Cute. Aww, look at the packaging. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so then it has like a little company. Let's see if you can see that. It has like a little company thing right there. Day Designer. The idea for Day Designer was born in 2010. It grew from, oh my goodness, I need glasses. It grew from chaos an overflowing email inbox, and hand-scribbled to-do notes. Oh my gosh, sounds like me. A pile of meeting notes and daunting schedules. Oh my gosh, this is totally my life. Whether you're a working professional, a full-time mom, or a diligent student, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and pulled in a million directions. Day Designer is a simple and easy system created to help you find balance, focus, and productivity. We're on a mission to get you organized and your way of living intentional, meaningful, and well-designed life. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Sorry, you guys. Sorry, I totally have this like kind of rigged up so you guys can see it. If you saw my tripod right now, like you would laugh so hard. Oh my gosh, I am like in love. Like, I already love it. And the box is super cute. Is that cute little box? Okay. Ooh, look at the packaging. I love it. Okay, how do you open it? I think you pull it. Oh, yes, you do. Okay. All right, so looks like you pull it open. Oh, pretty. Okay. And this not like I honestly just felt like it was meant to be because this is my branding. I just rebranded my business and I branded it black and white stripes with accents of gold. And this was one of the choices to pick from. They did have quite a few choices, but not a ton. Look at those cute. Okay, we'll look at that in a second. So they had a ton of choices. They did have some choices, but not like a ton. And this was one of them. It's black and white with gold. I was like, oh my God, it's meant to be. Like that's what I'm supposed to be using. Okay, look at this cute little, okay, it says Life Designed. It's like their cute little crest. It says, Day Designer, want your order for free? Snap a photo, Instagram it, tag the Day Designer, and use Day Designer hashtag. On the first of every month, we will pick a winner and refund the cost of their Day Designer. Oh my gosh! How cool is that? Yes, please. I think I will do that. And then look at this cute little card. It says, Day Designer, the strategic planner and daily agenda for living a well-designed life. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to be totally a fan of this company. Today and to do. Schedule and do to-do list all on one page. No more little sticky notes flying around your office. Praise, you know. A daily space for your top 3 to-dos. Encourages clarity and razor-sharp focus for the most productive day and year. Alignment, set goals to make sure you're moving forward to the life that you want to live. Inspiration, inspirational daily quotes are included to keep you motivated and energized. I love it. And big picture, yearly, monthly, and daily overview pages with generous line spacing for notes and schedules and reminders. Over 8 additional daily and weekly review prompts to help you prioritize your day for maximum efficiency. I love, love, love it. Okay. It's so pretty. Oh, and like they took such special like care of it. It's like they bubble wrapped it. It has like a little sheet. Okay. Let's move this stuff out of the way so we can like look at it on the desk. All right, so it's a big size. It's like a day, like, I mean, I could stick it in your purse, but it's definitely like a big, heavy duty, like book size. With like big spiral bounds. And it has like a little pocket right here. And then it has like our little page, little intro page. Oh yeah, I am super type A, so I will be reading all of those things. Okay, it has my reality check. Whew. Okay, so reality check right here. It's asking like how, like what your life, the life segment, like volunteering, physical, spiritual, and like how you're spending your time and how you want to spend your time. So that's cool. And then your values. So your top 5 passions, top 5 strengths, top 5 values, and then kind of see how those intersect. And then lots of goal planning worksheets, which is so crucial. And then like a place for your ideal month and then your ideal week. So it's telling you what would that look like, your ideal month and week. So then you can kind of check back to see how close you are. I like that. Oh, and then I like how you have kind of your 12-month overview. So you can sort of see at a glance where things are like that. And then I like the big pages for the month, like I had in my other planner. Okay, so then, all right, each page is a day. Okay, let's come down a little bit so that you can see. I don't know if I can do that without, I will pull it up. Okay, so at the top, it gives you a little like quote, and then there's top 3 things to do, what's due, it says do, dinner, dollars, and don't forget. So I'll have to read the instructions to kind of see what the do and the dollars are for. And then today, and it lists the time. So from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m., what you're going to do in each of those hours. And then to-do list for each day, and then a notes section at the bottom. And then daily gratitude, which I like that too. Reminds you to be thankful of things. Okay, all right, so it looks like that's the days. That's how the days are set up. So that's all going to be the same. Let's see if there's anything in the back. See if there's any sort of planning pages in the back. It looks like all the planning pages were up front. Okay, and so then it looks like maybe there's a couple note pages. Okay, so there's just one note page in the back. So then you've got one big note page in the back, which is fine because I always just fill up journals pretty quickly, so I can just focus those in my planner. So I'm loving it. I'm super excited. Thank you for sharing my moment with me where I got to open it. I will check back in with you guys in a month, and I will show you. I'll let you know if I'll be accountable for whether or not I've been using this or not, and I'll show you how it's been working. So I hope that was helpful. I hope that it helped you make a better decision about your planner, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.